Hi everyone, this is Max from Debuler Websites, and today I want to show you how you can add the alt text for your images and for your media in Shopify websites. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave some donations with donation link in my channel. Okay, so you have Shopify website and you need to write an alt tag for your SEO, for your website, for your media. So you should go to the content in your Shopify dashboard. You should go to the content, and right here you should click files, and you will see all files available on your website. Now you should click on the file, just click on it and let it load. And on the right you can see the file name and alt text. So basically you need to update alt text, and that's it. Just click exit after this. Okay, I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe and have a nice day.